Hey, welcome to the narrative mindset. When your life finally makes sense, have you ever been watching a movie feeling slightly lost? You're tracking the characters, you notice the odd dialogue, wondering why the protagonist is making those specific frustrating choices, and then it happens. The reveal. The sudden realization that one scene is the first act wasn't a mistake, it was a clue. The music shift. The lighting makes sense. Every chaotic piece of the story suddenly snaps into a crisp, coherent picture. Today, we're talking about that moment, but not in the movie. We're talking about that quiet, almost startling click when self awareness finally catches up to your own life. We all spend a lot of time living in the muddle. We react to people, we recycle through habits, we feel weirdly defensive about things we don't quite understand. We think we're just moody or unlucky or somehow uniquely broken. But then something shifts. Maybe you're sitting in a car after a long day. Maybe you're folding laundry. Maybe you're mid sentence in an argument and you suddenly hear yourself. It's that moment of, oh, I'm not actually angry about the dishes. I'm angry because I feel unheard, just like I did when I was 10. That's the click. That moment is terrifying and liberating all at once. It's terrifying because you can no longer pretend you don't know the truth. You've lost the luxury of ignorance. But it's liberating because for the first time, you aren't the victim of your own impulses. You're the author. When the plot of your life finally makes sense, the frustration doesn't necessarily disappear, but it changes shape. It goes from, why is this happening to me, to, this is the pattern I'm playing out again. That click is the bridge between being a character in your own life and becoming the director. You start to see the foreshadowing. You recognize the triggers. You anticipate the plot holes. So here's my question for you today. Where in your life are you still confused by the story? Where are you acting out a scene that doesn't make sense? Stop, breathe, look at the patterns. Because the truth is, the plot has made sense for a long time. You just haven't been looking at the right page. Don't be afraid of that click. It's not an ending, it's just the beginning of the next chapter. Thanks for listening. If you had your own aha moment lately, let's talk about it in the comments. We're all just trying to figure out the script.